Hi, so here we are, the builders are in. It all starts this week. Materials have arrived and the first job is really stripping out. The floor's been stripped out, the old office in there, the kitchen units are out, a lot of the wiring's coming out, so we have a complete new wiring system installed. We've got the open day planned for the 1st of August, Friday. If anyone wants to come along, you're welcome. We'll have food, drink, lots of people here. We'll be displaying some of our training, the equipment we'll be using, and going through anything anyone wants to talk about as far as training goes.
After checking in on the builders at Ashford, we made our way to UTS Sales Repairs in Canterbury. We had the pleasure of meeting with directors Mike and Pete, as well as the head of product design, Alex, and were treated to a behind-the-scenes tour of their access tower manufacturing facilities. As a member of PASMA, UTS is setting the standard for UK-based aluminium access tower manufacturing, and their passion for quality and safety truly stands out and resonates with their own values at Kentec Training. As such, we're proud to be partnering with UTS to showcase their range of mobile access towers at our new Ashford Training Centre on our open day on August the 1st. A huge thank you to the UTS team for their hospitality. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the updates next week.